button here, a fuse here, and then just like you tell the people, just give them the parts. Basically, logically they connect. The first thing which comes is the switch, then the fuse, then that switch, and there's a control box, and then you have that control button, and then so this is basically just to show you the hierarchy of the thing, but it's not a wiring diagram, or basically it's not a ladder diagram either. So just a line diagram, single line diagram. It's called one line diagram. So when you're an expert, basically just someone can give you this, you can wire it yourself. So how do you control circuit? Basically, there's a manual circuit. If I turn on and off switch, basically that's manual. And then I can do automatic control. Basically, I can give it like timer, fuse, and basically timer, relays, and then solenoid stuff like that. And then magnetic control. Basically, they have solenoid contactors and then magnetic starters. So basically, you can see. So I have like an example for a timer circuit, basically, like a while ago. So